Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure Rainmeter is installed and running. This is not optional. Once done, download a wallpaper-capable skin package or extract the INI and asset folders into documents/Rainmeter/skins. Then open the Rainmeter Manager and hit Refresh All. This makes the new skin visible. You do this now so the skin files are properly registered and accessible. Otherwise, the next steps won't find the wallpaper layer to set. Next, you configure the skins. INI to act as a live wallpaper. Open the skin folder and edit the INI. Set meter equals image, point image name to the asset, and use preserve aspect equals 1 so images scale correctly. Also set update or dynamic variables if the wallpaper is animated. For example, update equals 1000 for 1 second redraws. Once you finish edits, go to Rainmeter Manager. Hit refresh and load the skin. Finally, you position the skin as a true wallpaper. Right-click the skin and enable click-through if you want clicks to pass to the desktop, and choose Keep on Screen if necessary. In Manage, set the position to desktop or change Z-order so the skin sits behind icons and windows. Save a backup of any INI changes. If the wallpaper doesn't appear or flickers, refresh the skin, then restart Rainmeter. That single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.